Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. At the Salvage yard with Ando. Trying to get a inner tie rod in because you can't find them in the parts store. It takes 3 days to get them, and we like to get this done so we can leave. Replace the outers, but the inners are bad. See it moving in and out.
Do they have those VW wheels on the Volvo?
It's crazy. Here to help check out Don's car. He said he took it on a road trip. He got back, pulled it in the garage, and the engine was knocking. Fired up, quiet as a mouse. Took it for a drive. While we were driving, I started thinking, maybe it's that clutch chatter he heard. Sure enough, we pulled it in the garage, and the clutch was chattering. When you push in the clutch, it goes away. When you let out the clutch, sometimes it kind of chatters. So that's what was going on. It looks like it's got the right oil filter. Heck, it looks like it's got my handwriting on it. These are probably the best looking 850R seats I think I've seen yet.
That one's been recovered.
Nice condition. You think this driver's side has been recovered?
I think it has been.
I think so too. I wonder if it's
I think they scavenged the sweet stuff out of the end.
yeah. Yeah. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.